Hey guys, we received this Renegade products or the cleaning product Mop Tok scented floor cleaner for test and try. They are the 6x concentrated mop soap solution for the tile, wood and more. So 32 ounce. So they have like the different scents like the vanilla Eclipse, sensual rock and the Outlux. So here you can see. So this comes in this plastic bottle, and then you can just take this up, take it in a cup and put it in the bucket, and you can dilute it up to 6 times. So, so you can see, let me just take out this and show it to you. So this one I have a really nice scent, smooth and light. So I'm just putting say like 1 cup in this bucket for the mopping. So the mopping is not a issue, like I just dissolve and I mix it well. And just taking out the extra water and start mopping. So you can see like it gives a really nice scent that I can feel. Easy to clean, as you can see that it is taking out the dust easily in one shot. So they are really nice and can be used on the tiles, on the hardwood floors and on laminates and stone. So nice overall and nice.